Hey everyone, did you know you can design and publish social media carousels directly within MindPal? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. I've set up an agent called the MindPal Carousel Post Designer. It's been configured with our official MindPal brand guidelines, including information about our product, website, logo, and brand colors. This ensures every carousel it creates consistently matches our website's theme. The key to this agent is the Carousel Post Generator tool, which you can easily add to any agent in MindPal. Once the tool is selected, you can simply instruct the agent to create a carousel on any topic. Let me show you an example. I'll ask it to generate a carousel about the difference between an agent and a workflow. First, the agent researches its knowledge source, in this case, all of our MindPal documentation, to gather the necessary context. Once it has the information, it begins to generate the carousel. Behind the scenes, the agent writes the HTML code needed to render the visual for each slide, and it's done. Let's check the result. As you can see, the agent has generated a beautiful on-brand carousel using our purple theme. It clearly explains the difference between agents and workflows and when to use each. If you want to create ready-to-publish carousels like this for your business, you can set up a similar agent. You can even automate it to run daily by simply configuring the schedule in the agent settings.